Well, just might show you how to put it in. Why not? Why not? Yep. So, there's a new conical shape comes with it. Nice, 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 nice. So it fits exactly the same. Oh yeah. Wow, pretty nice, pretty nice. So we're gonna put it like this. Oftentimes moog, how do you pronounce it? Moog comes with look, original it's 21. Moog gives us a 23. So they always make it a little bit heavier. Yeah, that's from the old one. You right over there, and now you'll just have to pull back the thread a bit. Up, 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 up. It's gonna go in, and it's in.
Did you see that? That was easy.
Yep. I'm gonna put on the new washer. Yep. No more escaping for you. Then we're gonna put in the arm. And just to make life easier, I'm gonna put everything immediately in the right position. Up, 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 up. Yep. That will be almost great. Yep. Fantastic. So we had the big bolts here with the washers on both sides. Up the nuts. There's a little rubber that you can just peel to the side. As you can see, I have to go up a little bit. Up. Yeah. You can use a hammer. I don't expect everyone to be working, bumping with their fists. But it also works, so why not? And there we have it. Just tap it a bit, and we're there. Yes, sir. And there we are. So the washer goes on, up, bowl goes on, up. We tighten it with a number 20, E20. Bam, this will be a 21, I think. Yep. And we just go like this. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Tra la la la. I like to put on rock music, but YouTube says no, Steven. You have to be silent, else your videos will get banned. Voila. That's in. That one come out. Ah, dust on my face, I'm crying. So now we have the struts. I use a little tire iron just to get it in place, but it will be easier. Oh. Come on, go in. I'm gonna tighten this one first. So, number 23. Yes. Yeah. The one I almost never use. Number 23. Special.
I'm so special.
Ah, did we forget a washer? We forgot those. Originally, it's this one with a washer inside. So, Moo made it better, they thought, but the washer is, look, it's half the size of, what the fuck, this is a locked washer. That's a bit strange. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the original one and keep this as a spare one. It's kinda weird. No extras in the package. Yeah. Okay, move. Okay. Up. Number 2. Up. That was easy. Up. We're gonna tighten it extra with the super wrench. Big bolts like that. I thought it said 150. 130 will be fine. Yep. If you loosen everything by hand, you can tell. Yeah. That's definitely